NLU is proud to have a diverse student population, and so we felt that it was an opportunity for us to create spaces for these populations. So the Unity Commons is where we want students to feel safe and bravely learn more about themselves, learn more about other individuals, cultures, experiences.
For individuals and for groups to come together to think about how they can move this institution and our community to a more just space.
This space will hold art exhibitions, events, programs where students and our faculty and staff can come together as one unified community that really is committed to learning more.
A place that respects and embraces diversity, a place that acknowledges that, Black Lives Matter, a place that acknowledges the importance of how differences could actually make us stronger and better.
Where students can feel safe, where students can kind of take the gloves off, right? There doesn't have to be any differences here. We're a family. We do support each other. We support each other inside and outside of the classroom.
That's really what this is about, It's about supporting each other. And that's really what we believe, and that's how we operate.
This space will incubate the imagination that they have where everyone can succeed, everyone can benefit from the value of a college degree, a space of community. What we call not only a safe space, but a brave space.
I love National Louis University and all that it represents, its growth, its intention, help the student population to feel that they are a part of something bigger than themselves.
The Unity Commons is a symbol of all of those things. We are better academically when we are in a learning community that accepts us for who we are.